Hi kids, welcome back. Watercolors. Let's learn colors name. Yellow color, sky blue, blue, purple, light green, orange, violet, green, black, brown, red, and pink color. Kids, in this video we will trace A, B, C, D. Letter A to Z. Let's start. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. B for dog, black color. E for eagle. F for fish. G for goat. H for horse, brown color. I for ice cream. J for juice. K for kangaroo. L for lion, light green color. M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. P for pencil, yellow color. Q for quail. R for rose. S for sun. T for tiger, violet color. U for umbrella. V for van. W for well. X for xylophone, orange color. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, read again. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe.